In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SMT divergence in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in and have your chart open inside TradingView. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. It usually sits near the time frame and layout controls at the top of the chart. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can search for and add any study, indicator, or community script to your chart. When you click indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. This is the fastest way to find what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly inside that search box so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. Now, in the search box, type SMT Divergence. Make sure you spell it correctly and wait a moment for TradingView to load the results. You'll see a list of indicators that match what you typed. Look through the results for the SMT Divergence script you want to use. Once you see it, simply click on it. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add that indicator to the chart you have open. You should notice a new panel appear or some extra information overlaid on your price chart, depending on how the indicator is designed. From here, you can customize it if you want. Hover over the name of the indicator on your chart and click the settings icon. In the settings, you can usually adjust things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes specific parameters used by the script. Take a moment to tweak these so everything is easy to read against your chart background. Clear visuals are important when you're trying to spot divergence or any subtle market behavior. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more charts, more indicators on screen, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link I've placed in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it makes it easier for me to keep creating tutorials like this. Once you've added SMT Divergence and adjusted it to your liking, zoom in and out of your chart, scroll through different sections, and make sure it's displaying properly. That's all you need to start using SMT Divergence inside TradingView Pro.